Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a design. Well, let's see what do we have in our book. We see an interesting design right here. And if you notice, it's a freehand design. So, let's start by making these lines at first with the help of a scale so that we make a freehand design inside this. A freehand design usually means that it's a free-flowing design. We use a lot of curves in this one and it looks very different. Let's start by taking these pointers on the center line. We are going to take points at a distance of 6 centimeters. And after that, let's start by making these curves. We will make a curve on top at first. And then make a curve at the bottom. Something like this. Again, make a curve on top and make one at the bottom. This looks interesting. Now, we will loop it inwards and join it at this point. Let's draw a very light drawing so that just in case if we make a mistake, it is easier for us to erase it. Well, this doesn't look right. So let's erase it and make the head of this design on the other side. Just like how it's shown in the book. Make it a little fatter this time. And then erase the line which is inside. Go very slow while making it and then make a design inside it. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Make these two curved lines inside and then repeat the same steps for the other three designs. Let's go ahead and make this together. This looks beautiful. Once we are done with that, we are going to make 3 curved lines just like droplets, one next to another. Let's do this together and complete the entire drawing in a similar way. That's interesting. Now we will start sketching the entire drawing. We need to make sure that we highlight the drawing which is fair. And then start sketching the entire thing. Go slow by doing this and then repeat the same steps for the other parts. It's exactly the same steps for all the 4 parts. And look at that! We are done with sketching the entire drawing. Let's erase all the extra pencil marks we see right here. And in this process, if you feel that your sketch pen marks are erased, you can go ahead and sketch it again. And next comes coloring this. Let's take a blue colored crayon, which is a pencil crayon, and start doing the outline. We will go ahead by doing the outline at first and color inside. Make sure that you do not leave any white spaces. And then let's repeat the same steps for the other design as well. Go ahead and do the outline and then try coloring only in one direction, which is in a curve. Continue going ahead with the same steps for the other design. Slowly and gradually complete coloring the entire picture. And look at that, this is done. Now we will take the next color, which is yellow. Yes, let's take a deep yellow so our drawing looks colorful and vibrant. Let's do this inside except the lines and then the 3 droplets. Let's repeat the same step again. Yes, for the inside part of the design and then the droplets. Do the outline first and color inside in one direction. Now let's do this similarly. That's beautiful. And look at that, the design is ready.